Social media marketing doesn't work, we often hear. Well, it doesn't work for you because you are not doing it right. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel, Let's Talk Success. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel so you can grow your wealth. Today, we are going to talk about 10 common mistakes that will keep you from realizing your full social media potential. Number 1, dismissing social media marketing as ineffective. If you believe social media marketing is not right for your demographic or your industry, you are wrong. One study has shown that the fastest growing demographic on Twitter is 55 to 64 year age bracket, and that the fastest growing demographic on Facebook is 45 to 55 year olds. You will find other demographics are well represented too. If you manage to put together an effective social media strategy ahead of the competition, you will have an upper hand. Don't have a strategy yet? We got you. Check out our video on step-by-step tutorial on creating a marketing strategy. Number 2, not having a social media marketing plan. Social media marketing can be a colossal waste of time without a proper plan of action. Many companies fall into this trap. They sporadically post things to their social media accounts, share some of their content here and there, and try to attract followers or fans. That's not social media marketing. That's having no plan. Number 3, measuring the wrong KPIs. When measuring key performance indicators, KPIs, for your social media marketing, many marketers fall into the trap of vanity metrics. They measure the number of fans on Facebook or followers on Twitter, and if these numbers are growing, they are happy. You should be measuring the impact your social media efforts have on your business, not your total number of fans or followers. Number 4, treating all social media platforms the same. Every social media network has its own customs, language, audience, and type of content. For your efforts to be effective, you need to account for differences between social networks. It is important to learn how people communicate on the social networks you participate in. Number 5, failing to engage in conversations. Your social media updates are useless if no one cares, shares, or responds to them. Your posts and content should be designed to elicit conversations with your audience. If you don't get these reactions, your overall strategy and content should be revisited. When a person responds or comments, be sure to reply. Be friendly and personable. After all, this is what social media is all about. Number 6, connecting as opposed to networking. Do not collect social followers just for the sake of it. Having thousands of random followers who don't represent your ideal customers and having little to contribute will simply not produce desirable results. You want to attract and engage prospects, peers, or professionals who will share the same views and interests and who will be instrumental in the success of your marketing efforts. And make your interactions meaningful. Networking is about adding value to a relationship. Number 7, making it all about you. Do not get on social media just to talk about your company. How would you like hanging out with a person who only talks about himself? That gets old quickly, right? Well, that's the very mistake many companies make on social media. It's all about them, their news, their events, their products, their projects, etc. Here is the truth. Nobody cares. To succeed in social media, you not only have to speak the language of the audience, but you have to tell them what they want to hear. Make it about them. Make it for them. Number 8, relying too much on automation. Do not automate all your social media posts. One of the most common mistakes companies make is relying too much on automatic, canned posting to their social media accounts. That's not what social media is all about. People use social media because they want to interact with others. If people can tell that your posts are automated or they feel the exchange is impersonal, they will distance themselves to your brand. If you spam them with too much irrelevant automatic content, you will start losing them. Number 9, having too many accounts to manage. Many businesses make the mistake of jumping on every social network possible, setting up accounts and trying to manage them all, only to realize that they are stretching their marketing resources thin and producing very little results in the process. Number 10, not having a social media policy. Not having a company-wide social media policy is clearly dangerous and can often result in unexpected public embarrassments. For most companies, content that is sexist, racist, religious, offensive, obscene, sexually suggestive, derogatory, or discriminatory in any way is off limits. Make sure that your employees know the policy and adhere to it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you got some value out of it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you can grow your wealth. See you on the other side. Take care.